Welcome to Prodhurt YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to explore best water heaters in India. Water heaters have become a necessity in a household because of the constant changes in the temperature. So, having a water heater fixed in your bathroom to have a bath any time of the day without worrying about the water's temperature. Most people nowadays prefer having a hot water bath because they destroy the germs present on the skin surface and provide a relaxing feeling to the muscles. While certain houses use solar heaters for heating the water, it is not possible to use them at night and early morning. So, during that situation, having a water heater in the bathroom will come in handy. But before selecting a water heater model, there are certain things you need to keep in mind. Most important thing you need to consider while purchasing a water heater is the brand. Most of the branded products are considered their quality rather than profit. So, the product manufactured by the well known brands will be of high quality and they are designed to provide the highest amount of safety possible. Servicing will also be easier when you purchase a branded product. Even though the product's price is higher than the other products present in the market, they are still worth the amount you are spending extra on them. Budget. Selecting the water heater budget is an important concept because it will allow you to make a perfect choice and concentrate on the list you have. Also, choosing a budget beforehand will reduce the possibility of spending extra money, especially if you are choosing an online shopping system. So, always make a final choice by choosing a perfect budget. When you are selecting a budget, make sure that it is suitable for purchasing the model with the liter capacity required for the bathroom. Size. Depending on the usage amount and number of people in the house, you can choose the bathroom heater's size. The size capacity of the water heaters usually ranges from 5 liters to 30 liters at home. The size of the water heater will vary according to the number of people present in the home. For example, if you are residing in a house with at least 2 or 3 members, then having a 15 to 25 liter water heater is essential. For members lower than that, you can always go for a water heater with a size of 5 to 10 liters, which is more than sufficient. Similarly, when you live in an area with a cold temperature, then the water heater's capacity should be larger so that you can make a small amount of cold water with them. Most of the water heaters can last for or at least 15 to 20 years. So, if you are interested, you can purchase a water heater with a greater capacity so that you can use them in the future even if there is an increase in the house population. Star rating. Similar to the other digital appliances, the water heater also has a star based energy rating. This energy star rating concept was introduced a decade before, and most people use this rating to make a choice. When a heater has a single star rating, it means that the product consumes a lot of energy. Similarly, if the product has all the 5 or 4 stars, it normally means that the heater's energy consumption is low. The 5 stars rated water heater can store a most of the people prefer using the 5 star or the 4-star rated. They are economical and saves a lot of energy. This technology is used in a wide range of products including water heaters and air conditioners. So, when you are purchasing a water heater, make sure that the model you have chosen has a 4 or 5-star rating so that you can save a lot of money and protect yourself every month from the electric bill. The 5-star rating models usually have a huge price difference, but you have to understand that this price difference is but the electricity bill that you receive every month. Internal lining. The next important thing that you need to note while purchasing a water heater is the internal lining present within the heater. All these water heaters are constantly exposed to various types of water. During such exposure, you have to understand that there is a huge possibility for mechanisms failure due to constant rusting and crystallization of the salt present within the water. Normally, these water heaters have various internal lining like titanium to protect the rusting and overspreading of the heat. So, when you make a purchase or make sure that the internal lining is of good quality and has a warranty so that you can constantly use them. Thermostat. The thermostat is a normal instrument used to measure the temperature of the water and cut off the electricity to prevent the water from overheating or boiling. Normally, when you set the water heater's temperature, the term that will intake that particular temperature and make sure that water present within the heater is stopped heating at that temperature. This will prevent the wastage of energy by cutting off the power supply immediately after the temperature is reached. Types of water heater. Before selecting a water heater, you have to understand the types present within them so that you can make a wise choice. There are many types of models and designs available in the market. Before making the final decision, you have to understand the types of water heaters present to choose a model that will be more eligible for your requirement. Storage tank water heater. In this type of water heater, it has an internal storage tank that can store much water. This particular stored water is then subjected to heating, and when there is excessive pressure, they are released through the valve present at the back side. These water heaters can store the water for a long time at the same temperature since the tank is insulated. The hot water can be connected to the pipeline for direct access. Tankless water heater. This particular water heater does not have an internal tank for storing the water, but they have an electric rod that can heat the water as the water passes through. Because of this particular function, the water heater cannot heat a lot of water and hence the capacity is limited. This particular water heater is used for one time usage. They are not preferred for regular heating. Hybrid water heater. This particular water heater can absorb heat from the air and pass it to the water. The energy consumed is considerably low, but the final product's cost is higher than the other models present in the market. The pump is available on the top and it requires a 7 feet clear area between the floor and ceiling. The storage water heater model is the most commonly used because it is simple to use and suitable for regular usage. This particular type of water heater model is the most preferred technique available. Along with these, other models are present in the market, including the solar heater model and the condensing water heater. Depending on your requirement and population, you have to make the final choice regarding the type of water heater you are choosing. Temperature adjustment. This is an important feature in a water heater because sometimes people might wish to have low temperature water. In such cases, they will adjust the heater's temperature without worrying about overheating. Certain models come in low, medium, and high temperatures, whereas other models come in specific temperatures. So, depending upon the requirements, you have to make a final choice. The temperature can be easily adjusted according to your wish. Water pumps. When you are using the water heater in high rise buildings like apartments, you need to have a proper water pump so that the water can flow through the heater easily without any strain. Most of the water heaters nowadays have this particular ability to withstand the area pressure. However, it is still a better option to check the height range before purchasing the water heater. All these features are essential while purchasing a water heater. Along with these features, make sure that the internal and the external metals can withstand rusting. The water flow pipes present in the heater are usually made up of high quality plastic so that they will have the ability to withstand the heat. We have below given or some of the models that we prefer would be suitable for your home. If you are looking for a better model, you can always consider these features a basic preference before making a final choice. A.O. Smith SDS Green Series 015 Storage 15 liter vertical water heater geyser white 5 star. A.O. Smith is a company that is well known in the water industry and has gained a huge name in the heater industry. The company is well known for producing a wide range of geysers, cleaners, and storage heaters. The company has a separate team for designing these products, which are well known for technology embedded products. Their products are well known for their quality and technology. The company products have been distributed all over the world. They have been manufacturing a wide range of products that are well known for their energy saving technology and for being ecologically fit. Their heaters do not consume a lot of energy and they naturally reduce the electricity bill in the end. Their recent product is the A.O. Smith SDS Green Series 015 Storage 15 liter vertical water heater geyser white 5 star. This particular product has gained a lot of attention from people worldwide because of their ability to last for a lifetime and preserve energy at the same time. The heater can be stored up to 15 liters and have the ability to automatically switch off when the heating process is complete. The temperature can be set manually and hence you can experience the temperature of your choice through some simple technique. They are available in a simple white design preferred by people who choose a perfect decor for their bathroom. The design is good and saves a lot of money and time in the end. This particular design comes with a series of different features, and understanding them will allow you to enjoy a perfect purchase. Quality. The heater's quality is directly proportional to its ability to withstand extreme temperatures without rusting with time. This particular heater is lined with blue diamond technology to provide permanent solutions for corrosion. They can last forever without any disturbance. It also uses a special glass coated heating element for providing uniform heating all over the storage tank. This particular heating element is bent accordingly to provide a proper placement within the tank. It also comes with a special PUF form technology for providing good insulation within the tank. When the water flows within the heater, it has a special water diffuser to decrease the flow speed and break them into small streams so that the direction can be easily changed. The anode rod can withstand all water types and it also protects the heating element from external damage. The thermostat has three different temperature settings that allow you to enjoy low, medium, and high temperatures according to your wish. It can be easily set without removing any panel. It consumes a low amount of electricity and hence it has a special 5-star rating to indicate that it is economical. It also has a thermal cutout technology that prevents the water from overheating and the electricity is immediately cut off when the particular temperature is reached. This particular product is available for sale in the shops and also on online websites like Amazon. Bajaj New Shakti Storage 15 liter vertical water heater white 4 star. The Bajaj Group of companies is a well established name in the market that has been known for its quality and product innovativeness. Most of their products are available in the market because of their ability to adapt to the current technology. The company has manufactured a wide range of products, including home appliances and other digital devices. One of the most famous products includes water heaters that have gained a huge name in the current market. The company has been existing in the market for more than 50 years. Hence, they have more knowledge of what people prefer. Understanding the people's preference, they have recently introduced a new model water heater in the market called Bajaj New Shakti Storage 15-liter vertical water heater, white 4 star. One of the recent products that have established a great name in the market is this particular water heater because of their ability to heat water faster and decent. This vertical water heater can hold at least 15 liters of water and heat the water in multiple temperatures according to your wish. They can last forever without cooling for a long time. The water heater is available in a beautiful white color that will add to the decor of your bathroom and also be useful at the same time. This particular water heater comes with a special 4-star rating that allows you to preserve a lot of energy. Quality. The first thing you have to check for while purchasing a water heater is the quality of the product. This particular water heater is made up of high quality titanium armor technology that prevents the metal from rusting and can last for a long time. It has a extremely body made up of high quality sheet metal that does not rust when exposed to water particles in the air. This technology has a 4-star rating, which indicates that it is economically good and can preserve a good amount of energy. They are more suitable for buildings present at great heights, and the tank can absorb the water without interruption. To prevent the heater from internal and external damages, they are protected with high quality layers suitable for protecting them from all types of heating. This particular water heater comes with the swirl flow technology that allows uniform heating of the water and saves energy. The term of state can be easily adjusted, and the external metal body is made up of power coating technology to prevent them from rusting. It also has a special magnesium anode proper protection to prevent them from getting affected by the external temperatures. The energy consumed is low and they are available for purchase in the shops and the brand showroom. You can also get from online websites like Amazon with a good warranty. Crompton Arno New ASWH 2615 15 liter 2 kilowatt 4-star rated storage water heater, white. The Crompton Group of companies is well known in the market for its high quality products, including fans and water heaters. The company has been existing in India for more than 75 years. They have gained a huge name among the customers because of their quality and technology. The company has a separate research and development team working hard to provide new designs with new technology. One of the most famous products is water heating, which has created a revolution in the market with the year's ability to alter the modes and remain perfect for a long time. Their recent product is the Crompton Arno Neo ASWH 2615 15 liter 2 kilowatt 4-star rated storage water heater, white. This particular water heater is available in a beauty that can store at least 15 liters of water. They have 4-star technology that allows you to preserve a lot of energy and be economical at the same time. A water heater has a separate thermostat that allows you to change the temperature according to the requirement. They can easily mount it on the wall and it has special lights to indicate the water's boiling condition. Quality. This particular water heater is made up of a high quality polymer coating that prevents the heater from getting corroded. It has a powerful heating element polymer and copper that allows you to heat the water faster and can last for a lifetime without getting damaged. They can heat the entire heater uniformly. The presence of the high quality anode rod made up of magnesium is used to protect the heater from water damage and enhance the life cycle of the heater. The entire heater is designed perfectly and made up of single welding technology to provide proper connectivity with the water inlet. It also has a special safety value for protecting the heater from unwanted pressure built up. They have a huge pressure rating device that indicates the amount of pressure within the heater, which can be relieved when required and suitable for high height apartments. This particular water heater has a high quality, smooth body with elegant design suitable for all types of bathrooms. The temperature can be easily adjusted using a separate temperature adjustment knob. The term present within the heater can switch off the power supply when the temperature has reached its maximum. This particular product is available in both online and offline mediums. You can also purchase them directly from the branded showrooms. The product comes with a good warranty and hence you can enjoy a lifetime of happiness without worrying about them breaking down in the middle.